We have officially entered the show me the money era of AI. And if you are still just asking a chatbot questions, you are being left behind by people who are building digital employees that work while they sleep. 2026 is the year of the orchestrator, where the gold rush isn't in writing better prompts, but designing AI swarms that can negotiate contracts, reroute global supply chains, and manage your entire business operations autonomously. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how these agents work and why they are 1,000 times more powerful than the automations you're used to, and how you can start using no-code tools to start building your own digital workforce today. The simplest way to understand an AI agent is to imagine an employee who has the perfect memory, never sleeps, and follows your instructions to the letter, all for a fraction of the cost of a human hire. An agent isn't just the brain. It's a system that combines that brain or large language model with a body of tools like your Gmail, your CRM, and your calendar. Because they have the reasoning capabilities, they don't just follow a script. They solve problems, meaning they can handle complex tasks that would normally require a human to think through and make a decision. Every high-performing agent is built on these three pillars: reasoning, memory, and action. The brain uses logic to break a massive goal into smaller steps, while the memory allows the agent to remember your personal preferences and past interactions so that it gets smarter every single day. The body is the set of APIs that allows it to actually do things, whether it's calling a calculator, scraping a website, or updating a database, so it moves from just talking about work to actually finishing it. The reason agents are so revolutionary is that they solve brittleness problems of traditional automation. Old school automation is like a train on a fixed track. It's great until a single variable changes and then the whole system breaks. AI agents are like self-driving cars. You give them a destination, and if they hit a roadblock or website layout changes, they're using their reasoning to find a detour and keep going until the job is done. In 2026, the real money is being made by people who have stopped being doers and start being orchestrators. Instead of managing tasks, you're now managing specialized teams of agents where one handles your research, another handles your sales outreach, and a third manages your customer success. This swarm intelligence allows you to scale your business exponentially without the overhead of salaries or training, because these agents communicate with each other and critique each other's work, just like a human department would. We aren't just talking about drafting emails anymore. We are seeing agents handle autonomous negotiations like a car buyer who saved $1,500 by letting an agent handle with 10 dealerships at once while she was at work. In logistics, agents are now predicting hurricanes 4 days in advance and autonomously rerouting supply chains to save millions in lost revenue. Even in HR, agents are now screening thousands of resumes and conducting initial tests to find the perfect candidate before a human even touches the file. The window of opportunity is wide open because most companies are still stuck in the experimental phase and are still struggling to turn their AI pilots into real production value. By getting in now, you are learning the architecture of the future before it becomes commoditized, positioning yourself as the expert who can teach others how to build these AI systems. The cost of hiring has never been higher, and the cost of AI has never been lower, making this the single most effective leverage point in the history of business. The best part is, you don't even need to be a coder or have a computer science degree to start building these agents today. There is a massive ecosystem of no-code tools like Relevance AI, Lindy, and Zapier agents that let you build complex workflows just by describing them in plain English. These platforms handle all the technical heavy lifting so you can focus on the strategy and the results, allowing you to go from an idea to a working agent in as little as 15 minutes. However, you have to be careful not to fall into the agentic shelfware trap, where you build hundreds of agents that sit idle because they aren't actually integrated into a process that matters. You also need to build human-in-the-loop guardrails for high-stake decisions to ensure your agents don't make unauthorized commitments or hallucinate at the wrong time. The winners in 2026 are the ones who combine autonomous speed with human judgment to create a system that is both fast and reliable. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as this technology reshapes the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I have a lot more tutorials coming. For those who want the exact templates, workflows, and prompts that I'm going to show you, make sure to join my automation vault. The link's in the bio. And I'll see you in the next one.